Oh, look at this. It's kind of semi-automatic. Adaptive cruise control that controls the steering as well as braking, acceleration, everything. Isn't that cool? It's pretty cool. But sometimes it does that. I don't know why. Then, so it's controlling the steering right now. Acceleration, steering, and braking. Almost fully automated. Adaptive cruise control. So it's like 80. Adaptive cruise control. It's a neat feature. So I'm not doing anything. And it's a stick shift too. Sometimes it does this. But then whenever everything's green, then it does everything for you. Nice.